How to verify Google Business Profile. Hey everyone, welcome to the channel and let's get right into this quick and easy tutorial. To verify a Google Business Profile in a preferred browser, search for Google Business Profile Help. Now over here you can describe your issue or you can browse the latest issues such as Fix Verification Issue. Then click on How to Find a Business on Google or any of the article. Scroll down until you see the button Contact Us. In here, you can type in your issue, such as not being able to verify your Google business. Then tap on the Next button. Over here, select on the prompt that best describes your issue and tap on Next Step. Again, scroll down and click on Next Step, then tap on Get Help with Verification. Confirm your email address, then tap on Confirm. Again, click on the Continue button. Now, you need to check on the email address where Google Business Help will send you a verification link. Through that, you'll be able to verify your business. And just like that, you have made it to the end of the video as well. Thank you so much for tuning in. We'll see you very soon.